Hello everyone, I am the Craftacular creator and I am thrilled to share a process video with you today featuring a fun flip card with a Z-fold design. This card has a before and after theme that I can't wait to show you. In the first panel, the critters are sitting down and raising a toast, and by the next panel, a delightful spread of food appears as the critters get dressed for the celebration. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of creating the fold using Copic markers for colouring, and I'll also demonstrate a unique inking technique that adds an extra layer of fun to the card. If you love my content, don't forget to get clicky for Vicki. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. Your support truly means the world to me. To create this card, I used Longthorn Forest Feast, some stitched oval dies, some craft cardstock, and some falling leaves 12x12 paper. To begin, I cut a piece of craft cardstock to 4.25 by 10 inches and then score the front panel at 2.5 inches and fold this back on itself. Using a different kind of inking technique known as crinkle inkle to fans of craft roulette, I take a piece of paper towel and ink it up with some Longthorn crunchy leaf ink and pounce it on the cardstock. I have protected the part that I do not want to ink up with a strip of post-it note tape. Off screen, I cut 4 ovals in Longthorn Noble Fir cardstock and the falling leaves paper. I plan out my scene with the stamps that I want to use as a guide to where I want to die cut the green cardstock with the Longthorn Forest border. I repeat this for both sets of ovals. There are many images for this card as I wanted to create a before and after scene, and so some of the images are repeated. I colour these using Copic alcohol markers. The caps can be seen on the screen. Please enjoy a little music or skip to the next chapter. I re-stamped the tree trunk using the Misty in Crunchy Leaf ink. This is an alcohol friendly ink and meant that I could add in some colour details. I start to assemble the card, just adding liquid glue to one half of the leafy oval and then add the green oval cut with the trees. I then use this as a guide to stick in the same set of ovals to the inside of the card. I start to add in the images using a mixture of liquid glue and foam squares. On the inside panel, I just use liquid glue. I enjoyed arranging the feast for the critters and then dressing them up with their pilgrim hats. I die cut 2 stitched banners for my sentiment using enough cut of the craft cardstock. I use the oval as a guide to then trim the banners in a rounded shape. For the front we have Happy Thanksgiving and on the inside, Now Let's Eat. I also demonstrate the flip fold mechanism here. Here is the finished card. I really enjoy making flip fold cards as they provide a great opportunity to create 2 distinct scenes. This style can also be used to feature an image on the front panel and a verso image on the inside, offering both visual interest and a personal touch. This card was inspired by episode 241 of Craft Roulette. The challenge parameters are displayed on the screen. I created a Z-fold card featuring a scarecrow theme with colours reflecting the traditional scarecrow palette, complete with straw and clothing details. The food element is represented by something baked in the oven, and I incorporated the crinkle winkle technique on one of the panels for added texture and interest. With reference to Craft Roulette and its parameters, I've included a slide that explains what it's all about. If you haven't already, I highly recommend subscribing to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It's so much fun. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone, take care and I'll be back soon.